In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to hide followers on Instagram from your friends without using a private account. If you are on Instagram and you prefer no one else to see your followers, but you don't want to switch to a private account or unfriend anyone, so I'll walk you through the entire process. But first, can you please subscribe my channel to help me reach 1000 subscribers? I would really appreciate it. Now, if you open the Instagram app and tap on your profile at the bottom right corner, you will see that I have 37 followers. Since I have a public account, anyone can go in and see that entire list. I do have the option to switch to a private account, but even then, if someone already follows me, we are friends on Instagram, they can still see my followers. The only real option is to hide your follower list from a specific person is to restrict them. Here's how you can do it. Tap on their profile, any profile will work. Tap on the three dots at the top right, choose restrict from these options. By restricting someone, you are not unfriending or fully blocking them. They can still follow you and you can still follow them. However, they won't be able to see your entire followers list. They can see some of your content, but they won't be able to message you or interact as much. Essentially, it limits their access without fully blocking them. Once you go through this process, that specific person won't be able to see your followers. If you want to do this for multiple people, you will need to go through and restrict each one individually. So this is the complete process to hide someone from seeing our followers on Instagram. Now, if I was a big help, can you please subscribe my channel and like this video. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.